Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, of course, we have to scroll in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on device unlock right here and tap on the fingerprint. Right now we have to enter our screen lock to confirm. If you do not have the screen lock, your device will ask you to add it. It is really important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So it is crucial to add the screen lock first. So simply add it and then follow all of my steps. Now let's tap on setup. And here we've got the information about the screen protector. So using third-party protectors may affect the fingerprint sensor because it is located under the screen. So be aware about that. Tap on got it. And here we've got the sensor. So all we have to do is to put our finger on it. And right now, and that's all. Right now, as you can see, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to add every part of it for better recognition, of course. Okay, we just successfully added the fingerprint, so let's tap on no, not another, tap on done, sorry. Here we've got the fingerprint section, kind of. We do not have a lot of things and a lot of options to customize. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it just by tapping on it or remove it. Add another fingerprint and change the animation style. So we've got radial, waves, boomerang, and chroma dial. Up to you. I think I will choose this one. So now let's check whether it is working. So let me lock the device and let's find out whether we've got the sensor here. Okay, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.